Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix where winds meet connection error on PC and resolve the server connection failed issue easily.
Fix 1. Check your internet connection. Step 1. Make sure your PC is connected to a stable internet network. Step 2. Restart your router or modem. Step 3. Try switching from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection for better stability. Fix 2. Restart the game and launcher. Step 1. Close the game completely. Step 2. Close the game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc. Step 3. Reopen the launcher and launch the game again. Fix 3. Disable VPN or proxy. Step 1. If you are using a VPN, disconnect it. Step 2. Go to Settings, Network and Internet Proxy and turn off any active proxy. Step 3. Restart the game. Fix 4. Allow the game through firewall. Step 1. Open Windows Defender Firewall. Step 2. Click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Step 3. Make sure where wines meet is allowed for private and public networks. Step 4. Restart the game. Fix 5. Verify game files. Step 1. Open Steam Library. Step 2. Click where wines meet properties local files. Step 3. Click Verify integrity of game files. Step 4. Wait for the process to complete, then launch the game. Fix 6. Update network drivers. Step 1. Press Win plus X Device Manager. Step 2. Expand network adapters. Step 3. Click your adapter, update driver, search automatically. Step 4. Restart PC and try again.